Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will clear one more assignment of graphic presentation of calculation of mode. Here statement is given. We have to compute mode graphically. In the statement, the values of x and f are given. Wage values and number of workers are given. Let us see whatever class intervals are given: 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30. Next class interval 30 to 40. It means first four class intervals having equal class interval of 5, then class interval of 10, next 40 to 60 having class interval of 20, and last 60 to 80 also having the class interval of 20. It means these are unequal class intervals. Very important assignment of how we can convert these unequal class intervals into equal class intervals. So we will prepare two more columns, and with the help of these columns we will convert these unequal class intervals into equal class intervals. So first column is related to adjustment factor, and next column frequency, density. So in this first adjustment factor, let us write down what is the difference between each class interval. So first class interval is having the difference of 5 digits. Next class interval difference 5. Next class interval 20 to 25 5, difference 5. Next class interval difference 5. Next class interval difference 10. Next class interval difference 20, and last class interval difference 20. So in the adjustment factor we will divide all these class intervals with common factor or minimum class interval, that is of 5. So all these unequal class intervals will be divided by a common factor which is 5. So it will be equivalent to 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 4 or 4. In the frequency density, let us we have find out adjustment factor. We will divide these adjustment factors with frequency. So here frequency, this is the frequency. So whichever value I have rounded, this frequency will be, this is frequency. Frequency will be divided by adjustment factor. 7 divided by 1. So I am writing down all the frequencies. These are the frequencies will be divided by these adjustment factors. Adjustment factor 1, 1, 1, 1, adjustment factor 2, 4 or 4, which will be equivalent to 7, 10, 27, 15, 6, 3 or 2. Now instead of this frequency, we will take this frequency: 7, 10, 27, 15, 6, 3, 2. So this is the frequency. which we will use, as well as we prepare histogram. So this frequency will be used instead of this frequency. So now let us prepare x-axis or y-axis for the calculation of mode. We have taken class intervals from 10 to 80. 10 to 15, 15 to 20. So we will take class intervals of 5. First of all, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 or 100. Up to 80 is sufficient. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Further division, 5, 15, 25, 35. So I am using different color, 55, because we are not using graph paper. And maximum frequency is 27. So we will take difference of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and last one is 30. So for the first class interval from 10 to 15. Class interval 10 to 15 and number of workers, further division, this is 7.5, 12.5, 7.5, 12.5, 17.5, 22.5, 27.5. So first histogram, 10 to 15, 10 to 15 or histogram, we will take this frequency 7. These class intervals which I am tick marking, and we will take this frequency 7. To 15. Then 15 to 20 and frequency is 10. Frequency is 10. Then next class interval 20 to 25 and frequency is 27. 20 to 25 and frequency is 27. Then next class interval 25 to 30 and frequency is 15. 25 to 30 and frequency is 15. Then next class interval 30 to 40 and frequency is 6. Frequency is 6, 30 to 40. Frequency is 6. Here I am taking frequency 7, then 10, 27, 15 or 6. Next frequency 40 to 60 class interval. 40 to 60 class interval and frequency is 3. Here I am taking frequency 3. Next 60 to 80 class interval and frequency is 2. 60 to 80 and frequency is 2. So this is the we have prepared histogram, and now for the calculation of mode, this is point A, point B, this is the highest histogram, and the adjoining histogram, this is point C and this is point D. So let us join point A to D, point C to B, and the intersection point, we will join this intersection point towards y-axis, x-axis, then we can get the value of mode easily. Now because for the calculation of exact value, let us put the value in the formula. Z is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 or multiplied by equal class interval. So here in these values 27, this will be F, this is F1, this is F0 and this is F2, and lower limit is 27 is the highest frequency and lower limit will be 20 is equal to 20 plus F1 which is 27, F0 which is 10 divided by 2 multiplied by F1 27 minus 10 minus 15 or multiplied by equal class interval 5 is equal to 20 plus 17 divided by minus 10 minus divided by 25 or multiplied by 5 is equal to 20 plus 85 divided by 19 divided by 29 is equal to 20 plus 2.9. So here the answer will be is equal to 22.9. So here the value of mode will be this is the model value. Z is equal to 22.9. This will be the answer. So in this way we can calculate mode graphically. First of all, do adjust the unequal class intervals into by adjusting adjustment factor or by frequency density. We can prepare unequal class intervals into equal class interval. And because we are computing mode freehandly, we are not using a graph paper, so we are applying formula so that we can calculate the exact value. Either the values are 22.9, otherwise we can't compute the values in percentage if we are preparing a mode freehandly. So that's all regarding this graphic presentation of mode. So do subscribe the channel to see all the videos related to mode. Thank you.